Hello learners, Sukanta Paul back again with lesson 3 of your basic programming course. In this lesson, we'll set up your computer to start coding in both C and Python. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to write your very first program, Hello World. Let's start with the C language. To run C programs, we need a compiler, software that converts our code into something the computer understands. The easiest way is to install code blocks with MinGW. This version already includes the compiler. After installation, open Code Blocks. Then open a new project, select Console Application, and then select the programming language C. After that, give a project title and select a folder to create the project. Then select New GCC Compiler. After that, you can write the program in main C file. Now let's set up Python, a beginner-friendly programming language that uses an interpreter instead of a compiler. Open the website and download Python Install Manager, then install it. After installation, add Python to system path. For that, go to edit the system environment variable, then select environment variable and paste the path by clicking new. Finally, you are ready for writing your first program. Now open Python idle and open a new file to write the program. Then write print hello world in the editor. After that, click run button. You will see the output. If you want a modern and powerful coding environment, use Visual Studio Code, perfect for both C and Python. Install VS Code, then open it. After that, select extensions. Install extensions for Python and C. Now your VS Code editor is ready for coding in Python and C. Let's test everything with your very first program, the legendary Hello World. Here's what each line does. The hashtag include statement lets us use printf. The main function is where our program starts. Printf, hello, world, displays the message. In Python, it's even simpler, just one line. The print function displays text directly. Great work! In this lesson, you've installed a C compiler and Python interpreter, set up your IDEs, wrote your first program successfully. Try running both programs on your own computer. Then change the text, for example, print your own name. Congratulations, your setup is complete. In the next lesson, we'll explore how programs are structured, learning about syntax, indentation, and formatting.